What's up, guys? John Dykes with Renew Crew Softwash. Wanted to give you a quick recap of our job yesterday. I didn't get to do a follow-up video, but customer wanted us to do a roof wash, house wash, driveway cleaning, and also clean his shed. So we'll show you some pictures of what the roof looked like before and what it's going to look like afterwards, and then some before and afters and time lapses of cleaning the driveway and then the roof. So got started about noon yesterday. It's been kind of cold. I don't like to really wash when it's below 40 degrees, but let it get up to about 48, 50 degrees yesterday, and was able to get the job done in about 3.5 hours. So come along and we'll watch the video together. Okay, so we're about to start our pre-treat. to give a quick shout out. Thank you to everyone who's liked our page on Facebook and Instagram and left us positive reviews on Google. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see some more content, we have several more jobs that we are editing right now, so look forward to putting those out. Give us a thumbs up. Have a great day.